Hey folks, just want to share a little doodad with you. Something I find useful as I get older and the arthritis in my hands gets a little worse. I find drilling or punching all of these holes just to be too much for my hands. So, thanks to the wood lathe, I made myself this little handle, and it's so much easier to grip and punch out holes, and I can do this all day and my hands don't cramp up. So you don't need a wood lathe to make something like this. All you need is a hole the same diameter as your drive punch and any piece of wood that feels comfortable in your hand. You can get just dowels from Home Depot or whatever and make something like this up real quick. It's held in there just with a couple of drops of wax, actually. Doesn't need to be much, and I can use a hairdryer to get it back out and put it back in and set it again. Anyway, just a helpful little thing that I thought maybe you all would find interesting. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye now.